out adventuring, aren't we, Chloe? We're on an adventure. Oh God. Trying to make my way without getting wet. Oh, I can't wait to be out doing this every single day again. Not long and we can take off. Are you excited? Yes. We're so excited. Oh, won't be long. Countdown is on.
G'day guys, so today we're down at the Southern Design RV workshop getting some work done on our van again before we head off once restrictions are lifted. But I just wanted to take this opportunity to give you a bit of a rundown about the guys here in Ballarat. If you're ever travelling through, this is a recommended service agent. They can do any upgrades you want on your van, whether it be servicing, new parts, repairs, whatever it may be. So if you're in the Ballarat area, don't forget to give Southern Design RV a call. I'll drop their contact details in this video and the links below.
Where are we going?
Adventures!
Woohoo! We are back in Kahuna.
Riverside.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, dude.
How long have you been coming here for, Josh?
Since I was about probably 6 or 7, I reckon.
Jesus.
Have not missed a year.
What have you got, Riley?
That's the mom.
Worms.
What?
Worms.
Ah! The worms are getting down.
What are you doing?
Anyone with poor circulation in their feet will know the pain of starting your day with cold feet. It's not good.
Warming them up.
Warming them up.
Why don't you tell everyone what you did yesterday, Josh?
What did I do yesterday? Oh. So back in neck, as you know, always plays up. Thought, oh well, while we're in town, I'll book a bit of remedial massage. I booked a remedial massage in Queensland.
Kahuna in Queensland.
We're in Victoria. So the massage place, I googled Kahuna massage and it came up with a place in Queensland that was called Kahuna Massage. Should have known by the number starting with a 7, but didn't.
Made my night.
Yeah.
Walk into mummy. Yay. Chloe's first steps in the caravan. Go girl. Yes.
So is Riley.
Riley, where are you? What are you doing?
Beep, boop, boop.
Go that way.
Beep, beep, boop, boop, boop. Beep, beep, boop, beep, boop. Beep, beep, boop, beep,
See
boop.
ya.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
The things you do to keep them entertained. Oh! How good is this? We are the only ones down here. So peaceful. Ah. The boys down there fishing. Me and Chloe are just having some lunch. Everywhere we go, Josh speaks to someone.
Can you come to the fire truck?
He's on the fire truck.
Can't go in. Yeah, say it out loud. Yeah, go closer. So, like you do in the car.
Go on.
Oh, you got the UHF in the car? Yeah.
Yeah. So last last night we stayed at a free camp spot. I think it's called Narrandina. It's in New South Wales. It's a really good spot. So that's us there. It's like a big reserve. So there's heaps and heaps of room. And then across here, across the road, is the river. So you can do some fishing there. And it's got some toilets there which are really clean, and the lights are left on at night as well, so it's really cool. And you can have fires as well, so if you are here when it's a bit cooler, it's good.
Hey guys, just pulled into Forbes, New South Wales. Just wanted to give you a handy little tip. So before we set off for Forbes this morning, we checked Wiki Camps to see if there was fresh water here available. There was. So I travelled with no water today, which kept my weights down by upwards of 250 kilos with what I normally cart. So when you're looking to go to your next destination, check on Wiki Camps to see if there's fresh water available. I am talking about free camping, of course, so we are here tonight. Obviously we can fill up here, so that was a major advantage to us by not having to cart that weight for 2.5 hours. So at the moment I'm just filling up now. Freshwater tap here. We'll head down river, check out a good spot, pull up for the night, and stay tuned for the rest.
So today we are leaving Forbes and we're heading down to, well, up to Dubbo. We're going to stay at a caravan park there, get some washing done. I need to wash my hair and maybe go to the Dubbo Zoo.
Dubbo Zoo.
You want to go to the zoo?
Yes.
See all the animals?
Yes, but that's where my nan went.
It is where you and Nan went. That'll be fun, won't it?
Yeah.
That's where we're off to next. Thank you for checking out our latest episode. We are so excited to be back on the road again. It has been so long, or what felt like so long, but yeah, we're currently in New South Wales now, so make sure you keep watching our episodes to keep following our journey, and we will keep sharing it. So if you ever have any questions or want to see anything in particular in relation to the caravan, the business, travel tips, kid-friendly destinations, anything at all, please make sure that you let us know, but also make sure that you hit that subscribe button. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.